Hello, welcome to my kitchen. To you today. Very practical. And I have such a delicious breakfast recipe. I'm getting some oil in the pan. I add 1 medium potatoes that I chopped into cubes. I'm cooking until it turns a little color. When the potatoes are cooked, 1 small onion that I chopped, and add 1 chili pepper. I'm confused like this. I add 1 teaspoon of butter. I cook onions and peppers until they are soft. Then I add the sausages that I chopped into cubes. After cooking a little through, I add 4 tablespoons grated tomatoes and spices. I use salt, chili pepper and thyme as a spice. I cook this way for 3 minutes. I break 2 eggs after cooking. I close the lid and cook the eggs on low heat. I sprinkle finely chopped parsley on it. Our breakfast is ready. That's all from me for today. Good luck to the friends who will try. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in brand new and practical recipes.